Hi everyone. It's so nice to see you today. I hope all is well in your world. I hope all is just wonderful with you guys, right? It's December, so it's Christmas and it's like one of the wonderful months of the year where everybody's loving and not a jerk, but it's great, right? Yes. Okay. I decided to wear my cute little Christmas bows. They're let's see. Actually, you know what? I've actually had these bows for like 6 or 7 years. So I keep them pristine. I love them. They're super cute. And actually, I got them at Walmart. So $3, and they are still as adorable as when I first bought them. So anyway, hi. So today is December 11th, 2022, and we're back opening our Christmas advent calendar from Sugoi Mart by Japan. So I hope you are ready. I'm ready. You're ready. We're ready. Let's see what we get. Oh my goodness, it's been awesome. Oh my goodness, 10 days of awesome stuff in this advent calendar. You cannot even imagine. Like, totally worth the price, totally fun, and sharing it with you guys. So I'm very happy, very blessed to do that. So, you ready? I'm ready. You're ready? Cool. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. So, our poor advent calendar looks a little rough around the edges because we've been opening all these boxes for the last 10 days. We're going to open 11 today. So, again, recap. Thunder bars. Crazy thing that I can't get out. Our Kirby pulling over there. There he is. Our matcha latte. Six is our cute little bunny rabbit. Seven. Yummy chocolate. Awesome face mask. Coffee oven. Let's see. One more from the kitchen. Let's see what we got. Oh, yay! Marshmallows. Yeah, they're really good too. Marshmallows. Cutting me, dropping them, and holding the phone. Oh, marshmallows. Yummy. Yay! Alright, guys. Have a good day.